वैसे पिछले साल कई बेहतरीन वेब शोज आए, लेकिन एक शो ने पॉपुलैरिटी के नए स्टैंडर्ड बना दिए रियली। इसके एक्टर्स की परफॉर्मेंसेस से लेकर टाइटल ट्रैक पहले ही दर्शकों का जो है मन मोह लिया था उन्होंने। यस, द 20th ITA लैंडमार्क शो OTT गोज टू Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story. Applause Entertainment, Sony Live. To present the award, may I please welcome, yes, my favorite, the Bad Man, Gulshan Grover sir.
देख रहा हूँ कौन कौन ताली नहीं बजा रहा। जब आया तो जफ्फी डालने की कोशिश कर रहा था, अभी ताली नहीं बजा रहा। मुझे तो वैसे भी दूर दूर तक दिखता है, आज तो लोग भी थोड़े कम हैं।
बिल्कुल।
और ये तुम्हारी खुशकिस्मती है कि आज मैं पहली बार मर्दों पे ध्यान दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि तुम ताली नहीं बजा रहे हो।
All right, can we have the team of Scam 1992 on stage?
मैं बोलूँगा।
कट सर, अपना शो है, कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ से
मैं बोलूँगा।
हाँ।
Yes, please, the team of Scam. I tell you, this is a great show, everyone's favorite, truly deserving, fantastic. Congratulations to all of you.
अरे सर, कैसे हो? आप यार, मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा था, मेरे को बीच में कोविड हो गया। I'll call you.
Thank you very much, ITA, for this award. This show is really, really very special for all of us. It's double most special for me because this is my first ever mainstream show or a film or anything that I've done in the mainstream. So, thank you very much. I'm really, really overwhelmed with the entire show, the kind of response that we've got, the kind of love that we have received. And the entire team is here. So I don't want to name anybody, but I owe it to each one of them. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is the second award to be getting on the same night, so that's like a really big deal. I really want Hansal to tell us about this, but before I give it to you, we must thank Sony Live and Danish Khan, who really believed in this, the entire team at Sony Live. They've made Scam what it is. And of course, our wonderful director and our wonderful team. I'm going to let Hansal tell you the story of Scam.
Absolutely, we would love to know that, sir.
Well, the story of Scam is 550 pages, 89 days, and 150 characters, and all your love. That is the story of Scam. The immense love that we've received, we never expected. We worked hard, we gave our best, and I am very, very thankful to the audience that has given us so much more than we ever expected in our wildest dreams. I want to thank Samir for thinking of me in 2017 and saying, hey, I've got this book. Would you be interested in this, or we have other things? I said, no, nothing else, this. And just before this, there was Sanjeev Kapoor, with whom I began my career. So he was my first scam, and this is my latest scam. So really, thank you very much. I'm very thankful to Samir Nair, Priya, Deepak Sehgal, Yogesh, the entire Applause team for putting their entire might behind this show. I'm really thankful to my writing team, my technical team, the entire cast and crew, particularly Prateek, Shreya, Nikhil, Rajat Kapoor. I mean, I'll just keep naming and I might forget people. I'm very thankful to Debashish Basu and Sucheta Dalal, without whose book this show would not have been possible. So thank you very much for all the love, for all that this show has given us. Nikhil?
You know, we are forgetting a very integral part of scam. Jay, और यहाँ पे nepotism का मामला नहीं है. Hansal's co-director, and he was there shoulder to shoulder, a pillar of strength, directing every actor, member of the crew, and कभी-कभी बुरे कामों का नतीजा अच्छा भी होता है. So Scam 92 is one of that. Thank you everyone, and thank you ITA.
A couple of more names to mention.
Please,
Sorry,
take your time.
because we have a lot of people working on this.
Absolutely.
Obviously, Mukesh Chabra for helping us put together this incredible cast of characters. There was this fantastic music by Achint. So, you know, I mean, the song that everyone's grooving to.
Everybody.
Today also happens to be Jay Mehta's birthday. So, well, happy birthday, father. And our producer, actually, Indraneel Chakrabarti from Studio Next, who's really stood shoulder to shoulder with us making this show. So, I mean, there are too many people to thank, but thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, Manish.
Thanks.
Thank you, ITA. Thank you so much.
All of you, I like to add this, all of you absolutely deserve every applaud, every award, everything. This is truly one of the most fantastic shows. Everyone loved it. Hansal, all the very best. Thank you.